Something's not right here. Is it that I'm wearing an apron? No, come on. The grill is missing. Let's see how we do that on a first gen Dodge. So to do that, we need to pull off the headlight bezel. And the running lights / turn signals. Maybe they're just turn signals. I forget. And I think we'll end up at the right moment pushing this through. The reason we have to take this off is because there's a screw here that holds the grill in place. And then you want to do the same thing on the other side. And now we've got 5 screws across the top. That was broken. We have another 2 screws in the front of the grill. I'm taking these out with a driver, but believe me, I will be putting these in by hand. You don't want to crack this plastic. And then another 2 screws, one at either end. Rather than trying to squeeze these through, let's just pop them off like this. And then if we want to, so we don't forget which side is which, we can go and put them back on to the connectors, or not. Now we'll just tuck these wires back into the grill for the moment. And then we'll lift it off. For the uninitiated, Dodge spells grill G-R-I-L-L-E. I did a global search in the manual for grill G-R-I-L-L, and there were only 2 instances, but 75 of G-R-I-L-L-E. That's it for this one. So long for now.